Good morning, boys. Welcome back to today's class. Are you all happy? Say yes, we are happy. Yes, we are happy. Okay, good. So, Miss is going to take science for you today. In science, we are going to see about plants. How do plants grow? What are the things required for the growth of plants? Some plants are small, some plants are big. Likewise, trees, some are small, some are big. For that, first you need to understand the concept of big and small. This is going to just show you a few examples of big and small. So let's start. Come on. So all of us know elephants are big. See, this is a big elephant. This is a small elephant. It's a baby elephant. Big elephant and a small elephant. Now see this. See this again, this is a big elephant. Now let's see the opposite. Elephants are always big, rats are always small. Elephants are always big, rats are always small. You see this? This is a big block. This is a big block. See this? It's a small block. Likewise, this is a big Fevicol bottle. See this? Big Fevicol bottle. Big Fevicol bottle. See this? This is a small Fevicol bottle. So now you understand the concept of big and small. So let's see now, how do plants grow? See, the small boy like you is planting a seed first. He's putting a seed in a pot. Then what is he doing? After he's putting a seed in the pot, see, a small plant has come up. What is this known as? A small plant. It's known as a plant sapling. It's known as a plant sapling, a small plant. Then what happens? Daily he waters it. Daily he waters the plants. And see how the plant has grown big. See, water, these are the roots. These are the roots of a plant. And when he waters, from the roots, the water moves on to the branches. These are the branches. See here? Small sticks like in brown color. Can you see? The branches. So water. When the boy waters the plant, water moves from the roots to all the branches. And from the branches, the water gets on to the leaves. Then see, sunlight. Enough of sunlight for the leaves to produce food. So what does plants need for their growth? Water, sun, and air. All the plants, you cannot keep it inside your house. Okay, only some are indoor plants. Some plants you need to keep. Most of the plants are kept outside because they need air. We need air to breathe, no? Likewise, even the plants need air. They need enough of water, sunlight, and air. So see, boys, when the boy continuously waters this plant, it grows up to be a big tree. It has become a big tree. And see, the boy happily is plucked the mangoes from the tree. It's a mango tree. So the boy has plucked mangoes from the mango tree. So plants purify the air. Plants purify the air and give us oxygen. So it's very, very important, boys, that we grow plants in our home. So boys, when we talk about the plants, leaves, the growth of plants, we also need to know about the seasons, because in some seasons the leaves fall off from the trees. You will not find leaves on the trees. For example, winter season. See, winter season is very cold, snow, no? Christmas time, do you see that chillness is there? Christmas time, Pongal time and all, you find the weather to be cold and there would not be any leaves on the trees. Next we see the autumn season. Autumn season, what happens? Leaves fall off from trees. They get dried up. Leaves become brown. If you see some of the trees, you will never find leaves at all. They'll be like this. This is a tree with no leaves. Because autumn season, the leaves fall off from trees. Like September, October, November, all these months are the autumn season. Now see, spring. Wow, spring is a lovely season. It's a windy season where you can fly a kite and you see the emerging of leaves and also flowers. Flowers emerge in this spring season. Then we have the summer season. Summer season, what happens? In summer season, you can find a lot of leaves on the trees. You can go for swimming, you can go to play outside. See, summer season you find a lot of leaves on the trees. So boys, today what did we learn in science? We learnt about plants, how do plants grow, what are the things required for the growth of plants? Sun, air and water. And plants, we have small plants as well as big plants. Similarly, small trees and very big trees. Okay. So Mrs. Not taught you that much about trees, but about plants we had seen small plants and big plants. And after that, what did we see? The concept of big and small. Miss showed you a few examples of big and small. Elephants are big, rats are small. Then we saw about seasons, the summer season, winter season, autumn season and spring season. So when do you find leaves on the tree? During summer season and during okay, so summer season and spring season you see leaves on the trees. Now do you understand the concept of seasons, big and small, and how do plants grow? So all of you have to grow at least a small plant in your house. Daily water the plants because plants give us air and oxygen. Okay, they purify our air and they give us oxygen. So with this, today's session is getting over, boys. Thank you.